Welcome to Sslc Social Science revised textbook videos. In this video, let us see additional questions with answers of Geography Chapter 25, India Land Use and Agriculture. List out the land use practiced in India. Net zone area, forest area, use of land for purposes other than cultivation, fallow land, grassland, uncultivated land. Explain the importance of agriculture in India. Agriculture is the main occupation of Indians. It can be seen in all parts of the country in different forms. It supplies the food grains of the huge population of the country. It is a life subsistence occupation. It provides more employment opportunities than all other sectors of economy. Many industries depend on the raw materials provided by agriculture. It indirectly nurtures many industries. It supports even many tertiary occupations like transport, trade, banking, etc. Mention the types of farming practiced in India: intensive farming, subsistence farming, commercial farming, mixed farming, plantation farming. What is intensive farming? Where it is found. Growing 2 to 3 crops on the same plot in a year is called intensive farming. This kind of farming is in practice in areas which are fertile and have huge population. What is subsistence farming? Mention its two types. Farmers growing crops for their own use is called subsistence farming. Its two types are sedentary farming, shifting cultivation. Mention the differences between sedentary farming and shifting cultivation. Sedentary farming, permanent settlement of people in any one area and doing agriculture, is called sedentary farming. People do not settle down in any particular area but cut down forests and engage in farming. This is called shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation has been banned in the modern days. Why? People do not settle down in any particular area but cut down forests and engaged in farming. Hence, it has been banned in the modern days. What is commercial farming? Give examples for commercial farmings. Agriculture practiced to commercial purpose is called commercial farming. Examples for commercial crops are tobacco, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee, rubber, etc. What is mixed farming? Mixed farming is the raising of crops and cattle rearing, poultry, beekeeping, pig rearing, silk farming, aquaculture, etc. This is called mixed farming. What is plantation farming? Give examples. Plantation farming refers to the cultivation of a single crop over a large area for exports. Examples: coffee, tea, and rubber. What is the cropping pattern? Mention the factors which the cropping pattern depend on. The cropping pattern of a region refers to the proportion of an area under different crops at a given point of time. The factors which the cropping pattern depend on: Landforms, climate, soil, water availability, economic factors, social factors, technology. Mention the factors influencing cropping pattern. Natural factors, economic factors, social factors, farmers' attitude, water availability, transport facilities, market, hybrid seeds, chemical fertilizers, land development. What are the cropping seasons found in India? Early monsoon or kharif crops, post monsoon or rabi crops, summer crops or jade crops. List out the differences between kharif crops and rabi crops. Kharif crops, rabi crops. The crops grown during the southwest monsoon season are called kharif crops. It is the most important cropping season in the receiving rain during winter months. Seeds are sown in the month of June or July and crops are harvested during September or October. The seeds are sown in October, November and the crops are harvested during February and March. Paddy, ragi, cotton, jowar, maize and oil seeds are the main crops grown during this season. Wheat is the main crop grown during this season. These are the differences between kharif crops and rabi crops. What is jade farming? Which are the crops grown in this season? Crops are cultivated during the period between kharif and rabi crops. This is called jade farming. Pulses like black gram, green gram, oil seeds and vegetables are grown in this season. What are the factors essential for growing paddy? About 25 degrees Celsius temperature and 100 to 200 centimeters of annual rainfall are necessary for the growth of paddy. Fertile alluvial soil and clay soil is most suitable for the cultivation of paddy. It requires standing water till the crop is ready for harvesting. Hence, flat land is required. Wherever rainfall is less, irrigation is necessary. What are the factors essential for growing wheat? Wheat needs 10 degree to 15 degrees Celsius temperature, 50 to 70 centimeters annual rainfall. For its growth, wheat grows well in sand mixed clay and black soil. What are the factors essential for growing sugarcane? It is an annual crop and is growing in irrigated areas. This crop needs a climate of high temperature and moisture. It needs a temperature of 21 to 26 degrees Celsius, 100 to 150 centimeters annual rainfall. Fertile loamy soil mixed with black soil is most suitable. What are the factors essential for growing tobacco? This is a tropical crop. It requires a temperature of 21 degree to 27 degree Celsius. Regions of moderate rainfall with average 50 centimeters. It grows well in sandy soil. It requires chemical fertilizers. What are the factors essential for growing tea? Tea is a perennial crop growing in the evergreen tropical and subtropical regions. Average temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. Rainfall of 100 to 200 centimeters are essential. It requires fertile soil with rich organic matter. Hill slopes with sand mixed black soil are required. Tea grows well at an altitude of 100 and 200, 1200 to 2400 meters. What is horticulture? What are the facilities needed for horticulture? The cultivation of fruits, vegetables, and flowers is called horticulture. The facilities needed for horticulture are diverse conditions, land forms, climate, soil, irrigation facility, labor, market, governmental encouragement, etc. What is Golden Revolution? The progress of the horticultural field is known as Golden Revolution. What is floriculture? Floriculture refers to the production of flowers for marketing. There is a high potential for development of agriculture. Why? Floriculture in India is adopting variety in its procedure. Thus, there is a high potential for development of agriculture.